Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create multiple users on Motorola G15 Power. Firstly, go into settings, now scroll to the very bottom, go into system, users, allow multiple users, now tap on add user, next. Now if you would like to, you can create a username for this user along with the profile picture. Now just type in the username, tap on done. And as you can see, a new user has been created. Now to switch in between the users, you have to double pull from the top of the screen to the bottom and tap on this icon. Now choose the user that you would like to log into, and I will choose the newly created one, obviously. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.